FasterFunds Lending. Today we are at a house over in Florissant, and we're in the basement, and oftentimes we have questions about how much money should we spend specifically on a rental basement, and then how much work should we do or should we not do, especially when there's already existing stuff in a somewhat finished basement. So as you look around this basement, there's the owner here actually used to be a carpenter, so there's some really nice sturdy built-in shelves with some fun patterned cloths in the boxes for storage. There's kind of a funky bar that has some brick and some wooden shingles with like a fun glass backsplash. And then as we continue to walk over here, there's also a lot of just kind of like half done walls that aren't totally finished. There's a really fun bathroom down here, and then there's additional storage over there with the wash machine. So if this was a fix and flip, advice would be a little different, but this is specifically a rental with a ton of living space upstairs. So since there's all that living space upstairs, plenty of bathrooms upstairs, in my opinion, I don't think spending a ton of money down here is going to make a big difference in rent price. So I would just clean it up, make it usable. I think that some of this stuff over here honestly provides some fun character for the house, and the tenants will use the space however they want. So I just make it usable, clean it really good. There's no need to spend a bunch of money in a basement unless your house is really small and you really need that additional living space, or it's a flip house and the market dictates that you really need to have a nice basement finish to get the price you want. So that's your tip of the day. Thanks for listening, and if you haven't already, please follow FasterFunds Lending on Facebook.